Welcome back to the San Joaquin Podcast. Today's video is from the channel Annapolis Audits. In this video, Annapolis Audits is at the police headquarters located in Millersville, Maryland. He is trying to put in a Freedom of Information Act request for some body cam footage that shows an interaction that he had with one of the police officers. He records the process of him turning in the request form, and that's when things get escalated by the receptionist. She demands that he has to turn in the form with his name, but in actuality the request form can be turned in anonymously. Well, the receptionist decides to continue to refuse to file the form without giving up his name. And that's where we pick up on this video.
Don't want to be obstructing the doorway.
Is somebody waiting in here?
I'm sorry?
Is somebody...
Yeah, I've been waiting 30 minutes.
I turned in a form.
What are you waiting for?
A copy, a date stamped copy of my paperwork and be returned to me, so I have evidence that it was turned in here. So I've been waiting 30 minutes for someone to make a copy of one single piece of paper. Don't understand what the fuck the issue is.
Okay,
Can you stop cussing?
we have other people.
No, I'm good.
No, I'm saying stop cussing.
No, I'm good.
Okay, what
I'm
is
just
it?
telling you to stop.
Okay, well,
Have
I'm
you
telling
put
you
in
I'm
your-
good.
Have you put in your request, sir?
And I'm telling you I'm good.
Sir? Have you
My
put in your
speech is my
request?
speech, sir. Don't you try and restrict my speech.
We're trying to help you.
No, you're not. I don't need any help from you. I didn't call you here. I didn't ask you to come out here and speak to me.
You're in a public place.
You're right. I'm in a public place. You're right. No, I can, sir.
That's disorderly conduct.
No, it's not. Cussing is not.
It is.
No, Cohen v. California, 1971, the Supreme Court has ruled that it's protected as
Let me
free
make sure
speech.
somebody's helping.
I'm not screaming and I'm not being disorderly, so no, it's not disorderly conduct. I can sit out here and tell you to go fuck yourself if I want
Okay,
to,
did
and there's
you-
nothing you can do about it, sir. Cohen v. California,
Do you want us to help
1971.
you or not?
I didn't ask for your help.
Okay, stop cussing.
I'm not asking for your help. I'm asking you to leave me alone is what I'm asking.
Did they help you at the window?
No, they're not. I've been waiting 30 minutes for help. I explained that to you twice now.
No. I just came out here. You haven't explained anything.
I explained it to
me.
both of you when you walked out here. That I've been waiting 30 minutes for them to make a copy of a
This
single
is-
piece of paper.
This is the first time I've talked to you.
No, it's
I
not.
just walked
Ma'am,
out
it's
of
all
a-
on video. I just sat here and told both of
What
you,
is it
and
that
you
you're
got
asking
upset
for help
because
with?
I said that I am waiting for them over here to make a single copy of a piece of paper that I turned in. I turned in a FOIA request. I want it date, stamped, copied, and returned to me so there's evidence that I turned it in like every other FOIA request I do. I'm not sure why this one's taking 30 minutes or what the issue is, but I didn't call you out here. I didn't ask for your help, so don't come out here and be like, oh, I'm trying to help you and da-da-da. I didn't ask for your help, ma'am.
Okay, first of all,
I
let us
didn't
find
ask you
out
to
what
come
you're
out here and
asking
infringe
for.
upon
We'll
my
check on
rights.
the request. You're coming here to asking for help because you want
No,
something.
I'm not coming
We're
here
trying to
asking for help.
expedite
No,
this
I'm
for
not
you.
asking for any help. I came here and I
can't
filled
help
out a
you. I don't know
FOIA
what you're
request.
asking
I'm not
for.
asking for your help.
Okay, let's get one thing straight here. Whenever someone puts a FOIA request in to a police department, they are not asking for help. Rather, they are asking them to do their job and take the course of action that is required when a request is submitted. The receptionist got butthurt and she didn't like the fact that Annapolis Audit was recording the process. It shouldn't have taken this long, nor should it have been a problem in the first place, because the Freedom of Information Act is a federal freedom of information law that requires the full or partial disclosure of previously unreleased information and documents controlled by the United States government upon request. The act defines agency records subject to disclosure, outlines mandatory disclosure procedures, and defines 9 exemptions to the statute. The act was intended to make the U.S. government agencies function more transparent so that the American public can more easily identify problems in the government and put pressure on Congress, agency officials, and the President to address them. Federal court has concisely described the vital role of the Freedom of Information Act, or FOIA, in democracy. It has often been observed that the central purpose of the FOIA is to open up the workings of the government to public scrutiny.
I've said
came
it
here to
4
get
times.
something.
I filled out a FOIA request. The Central Records Department handles that, not the police, not uniformed police officers.
Sir,
So
they're
why are
police
you out
department
here speaking to
employees.
me?
They're police department
Okay, but do
employees, so I work
you
here.
go do FOIA requests? Do you personally handle FOIA requests? Then
Yeah,
why are you
they-
out here
they work
speaking?
under us.
Do you?
Yes, we do.
Do you?
Yes, we are the major in charge of this.
Can you
bureau,
identify
yes.
yourself, please?
I'm Major Katie Goodwin with the Anne Arundel County Police
Badge
Department.
number, please.
1133.
Can you identify yourself, sir?
Corporal Dennis Shum and ID number 1274.
You want to identify yourself, sir?
Of course, Corporal Joey Gatens, ID 1532.
Awesome.
Let me go find out
Now,
what's
uniformed
going on.
police officers don't handle FOIA requests. I didn't ask for any of your help, Katie Goodwin. So I don't appreciate you coming out here and trying to restrict my speech in a public place. I don't appreciate any of
I
you.
do FOIA requests all the time. What are you trying to find?
I filled it out already.
Well, you didn't get it, did you?
No, I'm waiting for them to make a copy and give it back to me.
Maybe
Now
I-
he's back there crying about the fact that I used a curse word.
No, he's
Guess what?
probably, he's
Guess
probably
what?
trying to find out
Guess
what
what?
you
I can tell him to go f himself, all I
Well,
want
that's
to,
not the
sir.
problem. I understand you're saying that, but you've got ladies sitting there in
That's
the lobby.
fine. Guess what? It's public lobby, sir. My
is a
speech is
public
protected.
lobby. Well, you need to
My
be-
speech is
you should-
protected.
you
If they
should
don't
try
want to
to
hear it,
vote.
they can walk out the door.
All right, we went and got the other battery. Now we're back. Only been gone for maybe 2 minutes at most. So hopefully they got this shit in order. Hopefully they did their job and we can grab this paperwork and be on our way. Oh, shucks.
All right, so they have your paperwork.
Awesome.
They'll be in touch with you once it's processed.
I need a
okay?
copy.
It doesn't work that way. You
It
don't get
does.
the same day.
Yeah, no, I do. No, I get a copy. I have one at home. I've already done this.
We've submitted
It
the
gets
paperwork.
time stamped and copied. That way I have proof of what it says, ma'am.
They'll contact you. You put your
Yeah,
name
no,
on
but
it.
but I get proof of what it says. I get a time stamped copy. That's what I've been waiting 30 minutes for. I'm not leaving
You
without
want a
that.
copy of it? Oh, sure. We'll
Yeah, I've asked that 6 times. You know that because I said that when you first walked out here, ma'am.
Okay.
Stop playing dumb.
You did it, but we'll agree.
I did. I did.
Okay, we'll make you a copy.
We'll also sit here and
then
review the
once you get
footage
that
because I'm
copy-
gonna file a complaint for your deprivation of public services. 18 U.S. Code 242, ma'am. 42 U.S. Code 1983, ma'am. We're gonna sit here and file complaints for the deprivation of public services.
They're gonna explain to you. Hand you back the receipt, explain to you what the next step of the process is, okay?
No, I mean, I've already gone through this once, so I don't understand why it's being handled differently than it would have before.
Well,
So
they're gonna explain it to you, and once they explain it to you, they'll be in contact.
yeah, they
okay?
tried to explain something before, but okay, we'll wait and see.
All right, thank you very much, I appreciate it.
I'm sorry, he's on that side. You can come to this side. Sir, you mind switching sides with me? They're being, I don't know why they want me to walk to this window instead of that one. What's up?
If you want this video, you'll pay $40.
Absolutely.
Okay?
Okay. You want it in cash? You want it in card? How you want it?
Well, you know what?
Absolutely.
Maybe he'll be able to help you out and figure out a way to get there, or maybe he can make some.
I just want to be clear, the $40 I'm paying is for the video footage of the lobby that's contained in that investigative report, right?
Right here.
Yeah, okay.
All the ID in that report.
Yep,
Look up the date.
yep, okay. Cool, that's fine.
Yeah, that's why I did this, so I just took a picture of this and sent it to him so that he knows when he comes in. You're very welcome, all right? You
I don't know why that was so hard and why it took 45 minutes and 6 police officers for y'all to do your job, but glad we got there. Glad we got there today, guys. We did it together. It's a learning experience for all of us. Like I told them, I charge $50 per public servant for educational purposes. So you want me to sign this? Yep, for educational purposes. So I'll make sure I bill for 1, 2, 4 of you guys as well, okay? Sorry, 5 of you, including the lady in the back. That's a
So did you already do one of these forms? Okay. I stole somebody's pen, your pen, I'm gonna give it to him real quick. There you go. Thank you. All right, fill that out that window.
Man, y'all are so mad that I got that, don't you?
Go right up and get it. You're welcome.
Oh. Shucks, gentlemen, that sucks, huh? So over the entire course of this process, that took much longer than it was supposed to, the receptionist denied this man, accepted the paper, but then refused to give him his copy. Then she called upon officers because Annapolis Audit grew frustrated with her incompetency. In the end, she was wrong, and Annapolis Audit put every single one of these tyrants in their place. Big shout out to Annapolis Audit for the awesome video. Be sure you guys head on over to his channel, subscribe, and I'll see y'all over in his comments. Thank you all for watching.